What's up, Printbest peeps? I'm Kelly, back with another how-to tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to integrate our Printbest product with your Woocommerce store. Let's get started. So for the purposes of this video, I made a quick WordPress site with the Woocommerce plugin, and we are ready to integrate some product. I'm going to log in to my Printbest account like usual. My information's already pre-submitted. I'm going to select the My Stores tab on the left-hand side. Select Connect to a Store, and we'll select Woocommerce. And I'm going to go back to the email where WordPress gave me my login credentials, and I'm going to copy the URL of my website and paste it here. Click Approve. And we have successfully connected, so let's start integrating some product. Today I'm going to choose the Kids Gildan long sleeve shirt. And I can see the shirt here and the colors it comes in. I'm looking at the photos to see how it sizes. Here are the product details, the sizing chart, and let's not forget the file prep guidelines. We'll need these to upload our design accurately and effectively. So let's start uploading our design. I'm going to select navy blue this time and upload my logo. You can see here that the print quality is poor, so I am going to rescale to meet the DPI requirements. And center my logo just at the top of the shirt here. And I'm going to generate a preview. I'm going to select the colors I want to feature my shirt in, and the sizing, and it's going to provide us a preview here. And after we press continue, you can see the product features have uploaded from the info. Let's add the sizing chart here as well, and continue. And I can customize the pricing of each shirt and the profit percentage I want to generate. And I'm going to confirm that I have read and accepted the terms. And now we wait. This could take a minute, so be sure not to go anywhere or refresh the page. And I'm going to press publish on my product here. And then I'm going to navigate to my site. Here it is, just a very blank template, and here's the shirt. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, Printbest peeps. Again, my name is Kelly. If you have a question or a comment, feel free to drop us a DM, and stay tuned for more engaging content. I'll see you next time.